Hi everyone, welcome to Magical Mischief Managed. That's right, I have rebranded to Magical Mischief Managed. My name is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Here on my channel I like to find Wizarding World collectibles, everyday items, and experiences to share with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I have also changed my Instagram. So if you aren't already following me over on Instagram, my new Instagram handle is at magical.mischief.managed. All right, today is another video in the Small Business Saturday series. Today I will be featuring a box by Alchemy for the skin. Now they do bath and beauty products and they are all themed around Harry Potter. They have done quite a few products for the Wizarding Trunk, and they also do their own boxes. So I ordered the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes box. I thought this would be fun and colorful and have a bunch of cool products that I could try out. I have to say I do really love their products. I have tried, there's a lip balm that came in the Wizarding Trunk 7.1, and I really love that. It smells amazing. And there's also a more recent acquisition that I have, and it is the Why Is It Always You 3. This is a headache stick, and it's all natural products, and it's a stress and headache relief stick, which is actually amazing. I have used it quite a bit recently since I've gotten it, and I have to say it does really work. I put it on a lot of the time in the evening before bed. So let's get started opening up this box. All right. Let me give you guys a sneak peek. Ooh, it's colorful. That's what I was hoping for. I wanted some fun, colorful products. Look at that. Okay, so it looks like the price list is on top here. So I am going to sit this down. Oh, I can smell. Oh my gosh, I can smell something already. It smells like orange. Oh, that's going to be amazing. Okay, so I'm going to put the price list to the side so I don't have to see that right now. It looks like another item on top here is a little bookmark in a sleeve, and it says Weasley and Weasley's this week's manager special, and then it has a bunch of their items like Decoy Detonator and nose biting teacup, and it's just like a little advert in a bookmark, which is so cool. That is awesome. All right, it looks like there's another item here in a purple envelope with the Weasley sticker on it, which is really cool. So let's see what's in here. I don't want to rip the sticker, but I think I'm going to have to get this open. Oh, nope, the sticker's sort of all coming off. Okay, let's see what's in this envelope. Ooh, there's foiling. All right, I love foiling. Okay, so this is, so this is kind of a cheat sheet type thing. So maybe this price list, this is just, okay, so yeah, this isn't the cheat sheet. This is the cheat sheet. I'm going to actually put this to the side. So this is the price list. So this is, this is like what it would be in Wizard money. So that's cool. So they have different items, which I think may be actually in here. So I think they're both kind of priceless, but this is one that's designed to look like it belongs in the Wizarding World because it has galleons, sickles, and knuts. I'm not sure exactly how you say that because to me, like KN is nuts, but I think it's knuts just because why not? All right, the next item on top here is a Decoy Detonator print. It is so pretty. It is a cute, very artistic watercolory type design. It says boom, smash, kaboom. Really cute. Definitely gonna be working towards my, I'm thinking of turning my Quidditch shelf into a Weasley Quidditch shelf just because I've gotten a lot of Weasley stuff lately. So I think I might have to work on that guy up there. But this is so cute. All right, now I'll pull out an actual bath product next. So this is Puking Pastilles Soft Boiled Wax. and it is Sour Patch scent. So you have to shake it. So I'm guessing these sheets kind of explain how and the best way to use some of the products. But this is by Phantom Candles. So I'm going to shake it up here. Yeah, there are definitely like particles that have to kind of be shook up. But that is really cool. I'm really interested to see what soft-boiled wax is for. I have never used any kind of wax at all. I'm a newbie when it comes to that. So let me take a sniff here though. Ooh. Kind of a sweet, definitely like candy-ish smell. It does smell a lot like Sour Patch Kids, which, I mean, if the Weasleys had ever invented candy, I feel like Sour Patch Kids would totally be on brand for them. So that is the first item. Another item in here is a mask. So oops, there's a piece of fluff on it. All right, so she did tell us that we would all be getting a face mask that is in the Weasley colors. This is perfect for what is going on right now, and then it has a little tag on it that just says Mayhem This Way, Weasley and Weasley face mask. So I know it's kind of hard to see there. And then the pattern is a really pretty, like, subtle in the Weasley colors. Very cute. All right, I am going to open, there's a little cardboard box here, and this says Flying Fanged Frisbee. Huh. So let's see if I can get this open here. It's tied very nicely, and I hate to break it, but I think I'm going to have to cut it to get it open. So let me get my trusty scissors here. So it looks like it might be by Twilling Tattings, if I'm reading the tag correctly. Yeah, I believe so. I'm very bad at reading like scripty writing without my glasses on. So let's see. It says Fanged Frisbee. Ooh, almost sent it flying there. But it looks like it might be a little replica of a Fanged Frisbee, which is awesome. Let me see. Oh my goodness, yes. It is a handmade flying frisbee, and it is really good. There's glitter on it, which, I mean, makes everything better. And then it has the little pink underside there. I believe it's like a little clay fanged frisbee, and they're so cute. That is really good. That's awesome. I love that. That is definitely going right up on my shelves. All right, I'm going to pull out a little pouch next. It's a little orange pouch. It looks like it has a lip balm in it. Yes, so Spectrum Splasher Shea and Jojoba Lip Balm, and it has the little Weasley logo on it. And it is berry orange flavor. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I'm going to take it out and give it a little sniff. Ooh, that smells so good. And you know, if you ever have owned a lip balm, it is very hard to keep track of these little suckers. So I'm going to have to be really vigilant here. Constant vigilance on the lip balm. But that is so cool. It is, the labels on these things, like, that is awesome. And then it has the flavor, and it says Alchemy for the skin. Very cute. Okay, put that back in the little pouch there. There's still a lot in this box, guys. Like, you definitely get your money's worth. So let me pull out this item next in a little green bag and some more paper. I think it might be a jar of some kind. Okay, I want to be careful so I don't send it flying. Ooh, okay. It's a little you-know-poo. It's a little you-know-poo jar with a sticker on it, and then it has some green Hershey Kisses inside. That is very cute. I love the jar. I love the cork on the top. Yeah, I have a feeling in my house these are going to be eaten rather quickly. But then I can just get some like little green rocks or something like that and put them in there and use it as a display piece. Definitely very cute. All right, let's take a look. There is a little box here next. It says Lunar Luminator Milk Butter Clay Face Soap. Ooh, I have heard good things about milk butter for like making you have like really nice and creamy looking skin. So you can see on the back it looks like a little moon. That is so cute. I need to smell it. I'm like one of those people who I have to smell things like products before I buy them in the store, which might be annoying for a lot of people, but I have to sniff. Ooh, yeah. It smells good. I can't even put my finger on what it smells like. Just has that kind of cream taste, yeah. Smell to it. Like a creamy scent. Kind of like if you've ever had those like strawberries and cream scented. It's like that cream scent without the fruitiness. It has a tinge of fruitiness to it, but all right, let's move on to the next item. Ooh, I see something purple in a jar. Holy, look at that purple. All right, this is Canary Cream Lemon Aloe and Shea Hand and Body Cream. So it is a purple jar. Let me pull the top off here. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, this is so deceptive because look how purple the jar is. But look how yellow the cream is inside. Oh, and it smells like lemon candies. Wow, this stuff smells so good. I am blown away. Lemon is one of my favorite scents, so this is amazing. I'm so excited to start using this. Love it. But like so deceptive because it's so purple, but the cream is so yellow. That's awesome. All right, another item coming out here looks like Magical Mustache Miracle Stubble Grow. This is a moisturizing shave butter. That is so cool. So yeah, it comes in like, if you could see there, the top is the little squirty squirt guy, and then you can put that on and shave. That is so cool. I would have never thought of Magical Mustache Stubble Grow. That's so cool. It is an awesome product. Sorry, you can see the sunlight coming in the window over there. But yes, such a cool product. Again, I have to give it a sniff. See what it smells like. If I can. Can I smell it through? I'm not sure. I had to figure out how to oh, there, it's just a little plug that comes out. Let me pump it up here. See if I can sniff. Ooh, yeah. Kind of has a orangey creamsicle-y scent to it. Very nice. I gotta put the lid back on now and clean myself up. But yeah, it's just like this really nice creamy orange. It's very light, very cool. That's going to be amazing to shave. Perfect timing too, because it is the start of the summer here. I'm going to keep sniffing it. Now I have to wipe some of this off. So I can keep going here, because there are more items in this box. Okay, so there is an item wrapped in paper. And this looks, ooh, it looks bright pink. So this is Fizzing Wispy Strawberry Bath Fizzies. Okay, so they're little fizzing Wispies and they're little bath bombs. That is so cool. Oh yeah, and they have kind of a sugary sweet strawberry-y smell to them. Yes, those are nice too. There is another bubble bar. And that is in the shape of a lollipop. So this is a Weasley's Wondrous Wands. So you put that in the bath. Very cool. Very nice. The packaging and branding on all this is amazing. I love it. Makes it feel like you just took a step into the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes shop, and they had a new bath section, and you just rated it all like it was a Target. There looks like there's 2 more items. There's a bigger item here. A nice long item. Looks like maybe a spray. So this, ooh, okay. Jinx Off Room Spray in Creamsicle. Love the Creamsicle. Let's see if I can get it to spray. Oh, a nice light, not overpowering, orangey with a hint of cream scent. Oh, that's so good. I love that. Better believe I'm going to be walking into all the rooms today. Be like, spraying everything. Awesome. All right, looks like the last item here, another bigger one, wrapped in paper. This looks like one of the big tubs. Maybe it's a scrub or something like that. Ooh. Okay, so Feathery Flamingo Fuzzer Flame. Oh my gosh. All the alliteration on these are killing me. Whipped Sugar Soap. Ooh. I'm very interested to try this. Let me open this bad boy up. Oh, there's even a little flamingo. How cute is that? Ooh. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, that smells so good. So yeah, it's like a soap, but it has like little sugar crystals in it. So I'm guessing that's probably really good for exfoliation. But yeah, that smells so good. I can't believe there's like a little flamingo in it. Okay, let me check out the little cheat sheet here just to make sure I got everything and that I know what everything is for. So it comes in a cute little trifold little brochure like this. So the first thing is the Canary Cream Lemon Body Cream. So this is a gentle aloe and shea butter cream with no of the yucky stuff that you don't want. We have the Lunar Loop Luminator Face Soap, which is the little moon guy. Gentle Buttermilk Soap. The Feathery Flamingo Flame Fuzzer Whipped Soap with Flamingo Soap Shape. I cannot talk and say all that alliteration. So yeah, we have that item. We have the Weasley's Wondrous Bubble Wand and the Creamsicle Bubble Bars for the bath. So the little soapies, I believe. Yeah, this guy. Oh wait, that's another one, I think. Nope, I think, yeah, that and this guy. The Magical Mustache Shave Butter. So this guy. We have the Jinx Off Room Spray. The Spectrum Splasher Lip Balm, which is the guy that came in this little pouch. The You Know Poo Constipation Sensation. So the little chocolates. And then the Fizzing Wispy Strawberry Bath Bombs. And then the Weasley Box exclusive for the Decoy Detonator print by Twillings and Tattings. That is under here. I will not dig that out just because there's too much on top. But also the Fanged Frisbee by Twillings and Tattings. So the little replica Frisbee, which is again also under all of the stuff I just pulled out. And the Puking Pastel Sparkle Squeeze Wax in Sour Patch Kids scent by Fandom Candles. So this little guy here. So it says simply squeeze the desired amount of wax into your tart warmer and enjoy. Oh, okay. So it is a like melty wax scenty thing. I do have a candle warmer, so this will be perfect for that. And then the additional box items. Oh, it looks like if you got the bigger box, you got a pin, a sticker. I did get a face mask. That was an add-on and a bookmark. Weasley mini pin. Did I miss something? And a sticker. I feel like I missed something unless I didn't get the bigger box. Oh, my thing fell on the floor. Because I don't think I got the biggest box. Yeah. I don't think I got those. I think I just got the smaller box. But it seems like I got large amount of everything. But yeah, so this is awesome. I love all the artwork on here. It says the artwork is by Zia. I'm not sure who that is, but I will investigate, and if I find out, I will link it below. I will also link all of the Alchemy for the Skin information down below, as well as Twillings and Tattings, and the person who made the wax, the fandom candles. So I will do that. Overall, I think my favorite product that I'm the most eager to try is probably the Canary cream, the lemon aloe and shea hand and body cream, just because of how yellow it is versus the purple, and lemon is one of my favorite scents, so that is definitely one of my favorite items, as well as probably the lip balm, just because I use lip balm or chapstick every day, multiple times a day. So I'm excited to use this. And hopefully I will not lose it. But yeah, I really enjoyed this box. I feel like you definitely get your money's worth with one of these boxes, because they're, like, as you can see, they are jam-packed with products that are amazing and awesome to try. So yeah, thanks for unboxing this with me and doing another Small Business Saturday series video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!